tayo. Muni-muni tayo. Ayan, ang saya. Ang daming dumadaan. Ayan. Tayo strangers here in Dumaguete City. That's beautiful. The night is beautiful. We just had our dinner at the Sensual Restaurant. It's beautiful here. And of course, Angel is, also beautiful tonight. Ayan. So, mga abang siya later. We just checked in that hotel there somewhere. I just forgot the name. Yeah. So yeah, may nagja-jogging. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that. Look at that. That area there. It's beautiful. Up to this side here also. It's nice. It's lighted everywhere. Yeah. Ang saya. Napakasaya. Ayan. Of course, later on, we'll be having our dinner somewhere also. And I'm gonna update you up. Thank you. Bye-bye.